Last month, Ireland's top striker Evan Ferguson secured a last-minute move away from Brighton Hove Albion, a club he and many other Irish players have launched their careers at. We caught up with him in the weeks before switching to West Ham to chat about how the club had helped shape him.
A lot of Irish players have done well when they've come over here and they've seen the pathway, and I think once you can see that, it's a no-brainer really.
With Brighton being a pathway for Irish internationals in the English game, up-and-coming goalkeeper Cillian Cahill is one of the names looking to make his mark here.
I think when you come over to the UK and you move away from home, it is nice to kind of have Irish faces around the place. You kind of have that good atmosphere and really good team chemistry. Obviously Ev's different, like the way he's kicked on, it's unbelievable.
It's gone very quick for me, and I think it comes with its highs and its lows, you know what I mean? You can do so well and then you get an injury and you lose form and you try to bring it back up, so it's sort of, it comes with everything and that's what it is, but you just have to try to keep on going.
Decent delivery, goal! Evan Ferguson!
With 4 goals in 18 appearances for Ireland, we had to ask Evan which was his favourite.
Probably scoring, first goal. I think in the first game.
RTÉ hands it up towards the back, touched back by Overfetti and touched in by Evan Ferguson!
You can't really ask for much more.
Ferguson!
Time to see how well these guys know each other. We asked Cillian and Evan to guess each other's answers to some hard-hitting questions.
If you weren't a footballer, what do you think you'd be doing?
I've got it. I reckon you'd be like a businessman, like getting the suit on, getting on the tube, you know, and just straight to London.
Yeah, I was going to say lawyer or businessman.
Yeah, it's not bad.
And then I went for you, postman.
Postman?
Well, like, it's the most logical, like.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but how is it the most logical?
Early hours, 6 till like 2, done, do whatever you want, you know what I mean? Everyone likes the postman.
Hard to argue with that. Next question. So what's your go-to karaoke song?
I think you like a bit of Adele.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah.
I can't get the vocals there, but I like
You try.
Interesting. So what do we think for Cillian?
I've just gone country music.
Yeah, I'll give you that.
Like I can see.
Yeah. That's fair, yeah.
The lads clearly know each other well. Now for the all-important question. Who's your best jersey swap?
I only swap with Irish people. All the Irish lads. Ipswich, a big swap this year.
Yeah, that's fair.
With Evan's loan to West Ham only just begun, it'll be interesting to see if he makes the move a permanent one or not.